Ulat kemikhlaya Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra retired negasni ula yakran halor kijing tray beper ke Sarkar Pedang West Janta Hills rengkat bat kijing yadon lang additional deputy commissioner PK Boro baru SP BD Marak lembat kijing yadon lang kihe ke district ha kijing yalang ulat ulai tai halor kijing pentray kam yaki skim beper baru ula aiman sim yaki he ke district pan pentikna bagi skim in poi shabaro kinoyo jing mentoy oleh keren ru halor kijing long baro haga district bat kijing kiu hakaliang karoi kapar hakini kisnem u additional deputy commissioner ul aikublay ulat halor kijing kershan bat kijing lam nanti jong uban pentikna ya kijing pentray kam hakirukom ke bedai ya kini kiskim hakaroi kapar.
Also just across the river. To know as to what all developmental projects you have in your district and what is your achievement department wise. You see, aim is not to come and have tea or not to come and have formal introduction. All that I want to know is that all of us, me, you, all of us, we are working for the people of our district, and I have taken oath and you have also taken a pledge that we will work for the welfare of our people.